Every highway, every dam, every mine was built by massive machines. Behind more of them than any other name stands Caterpillar, one of the most powerful industrial manufacturers on Earth. It all started with a single tractor sinking into a California swamp. On Thanksgiving Day, 1904, a steam tractor fitted with an endless loop of steel tracks rolled out onto the soggy peat fields of Roberts Island near Stockton, California. Where heavy wheels would have sunk and stalled, the new track-type design glided forward, spreading the machine's weight across a broad surface. The difference was dramatic. Ground pressure dropped from more than 20 pounds per square inch with wheels to under 7 pounds per square inch with tracks, allowing the tractor to cross mud and marsh with ease. Local newspapers described the sight as a metal creature crawling over land that no other machine could touch. Benjamin Holt, the inventor behind the breakthrough, secured a patent for the track undercarriage and sprocket drive. The Roberts Island demonstration proved that continuous tracks could conquer terrain that defeated every wheeled rival, setting the stage for a revolution in earth-moving technology. By May 1925, decades of rivalry between Holt Manufacturing and the CL Best Tractor Company gave way to a single, sweeping consolidation. The two firms, once locked in patent battles and competing for the same markets, signed a merger agreement that combined Holt's manufacturing strength with Best's financial backing and management expertise. Best received $800,000 in cash and a 30% equity stake in the new enterprise, a deal that secured his influence and helped stabilize the company's finances. The new corporation was named Caterpillar Tractor Company, drawing on the Caterpillar trademark that Holt had registered back in August 1910. That name, born from a photographer's remark about the machine's motion, now became the official brand for every machine rolling out of the unified factories. With the merger, Caterpillar gained the scale, patents, and identity needed to dominate the heavy equipment industry, setting the stage for its machines to shape the world's largest infrastructure projects. Hoover Dam's construction demanded movement on a scale never seen before. 3.7 million cubic yards of rock and soil carved from the Colorado River Canyon, much of it by Caterpillar track-type tractors running day and night in searing desert heat. Interstate highways, stretching over 41,000 miles, were graded and leveled by fleets of yellow machines, each one pushing forward the edge of the modern road network. In the open pits of North America's mines, Caterpillar haul trucks and loaders cut cycle times by 35%, allowing operators to move more ore with fewer delays. Along the Trans-Alaska Pipeline, bulldozers cleared permafrost and kept working at -30 degrees Fahrenheit, where others froze solid. Foreman John M. Miller recalled that those 60s were the workhorses, and they never missed a shift, summing up a sentiment shared across generations of operators. Each project left a mark not just on the land, but on the reputation of the machines that made it possible. If you enjoy documentaries about the machines and industries that shape our world, consider subscribing to the channel. In 1928, Caterpillar opened its first overseas office in London, launching a new era for the company's reputation and global reach. The London office served as a hub for recruiting and certifying independent dealers across the United Kingdom and the British Empire. Each dealer was required to keep critical parts in stock and provide technical training, ensuring that machines could be serviced quickly and kept running in the field. The system allowed Caterpillar to support customers far from its American factories, reducing downtime on projects and building trust in the reliability of the brand. This dealer-based model, first proven in London, became the backbone of Caterpillar's global expansion. By linking local expertise with centralized engineering and logistics, Caterpillar created a worldwide network that supports more than 600 locations today, making the yellow cat logo a familiar sight on construction sites across continents. The scale of Caterpillar's flagship machines is measured not just in tons, but in the raw force they bring to every job site. The D11T bulldozer stands as a colossus among earth movers, its 850 horsepower engine driving a blade wide enough to level a house in a single pass. Mining trucks like the 797F haul loads up to 400 tons, enough to carry 250 mid-size cars at once across the deepest open pits on the planet. The CAT 336 excavator, with its variable flow hydraulics, moves dirt and rock with a precision and speed that would have been unthinkable just decades ago. Mechanics working on these giants talk of engines taller than a man and tires that tower overhead. Each bolt, each weld, is sized for extremes, built to endure years of relentless use. These machines are more than tools. They are the muscle behind the world's greatest engineering feats. Digital control rooms now oversee fleets of autonomous trucks. With CAT Command and MineStar, operators guide machines from miles away, raising productivity by 22%, while lowering fuel use by 40%. Electric drive prototypes, like the 770E, are already cutting emissions on job sites. Every new engine meets Tier 4 standards, releasing less than 0.1 gram of particulate per kilowatt-hour. As Miguel Ramos, lead engineer, put it, Caterpillar's electric drive bulldozer proved that you can have raw power without the carbon fingerprint of a diesel engine. Facing global rivals and strict regulations, Caterpillar invests billions in research and development, betting on software, electrification, and service networks to keep its edge. Civilization's progress still depends on machines that move Earth and shape dreams. As technology advances, the need for powerful builders endures, quietly laying the groundwork for every future we imagine.